Have you ever wanted to create a chart in Smartsheets, but didn't know how? Or maybe you've tried to create a chart, but it didn't turn out the way you wanted it to? So you're not alone. Smartsheets is a powerful tool for collaboration and data management, but it can be a bit challenging to learn how to create charts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a chart in Smartsheets in just a few simple steps. I'll also cover some tips and tricks for creating more effective charts. What are charts and why are they important? Before we get started, let's take a moment to define what a chart is and why they are important. A chart is a visual representation of data. It can be used to display trends, patterns, and relationships in your data. Charts are a great way to communicate your data to others and to make it easier to understand. Types of charts in Smartsheets. There are many different types of charts that you can create in Smartsheets, including bar charts, line charts, pie charts, scatter plots, Gantt charts, network diagrams. How to create a chart in Smartsheets. Now that we know what charts are and why they are important, let's get started creating one in Smartsheets. Open the Smartsheets spreadsheet that you want to create a chart in. Click on the Insert tab. Select the type of chart that you want to create. Select the data that you want to use in your chart. Click on the Create button. Once you've created your chart, you can customize it by adding a title, changing the colors, and adding axis labels. Tips for creating effective charts. Choose the right type of chart for your data. Use clear and concise labels. Use a color palette that is easy on the eyes. Keep your chart simple and easy to understand. Creating a chart in Smartsheets is a great way to visualize your data and make it easier to understand. By following the tips in this video, you can create effective charts that will help you communicate your message to others. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.